Problem number 23 of section 2.2 asks us to find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f of x equals 1 over 1 plus x to the n at the point 1, 1/2. Now recall that the equation for the line tangent to the graph of f at the point x naught, y naught is given by y equals y naught plus f prime of x naught times x minus x naught. And we have x naught, y naught is the point of tangency. So see the first step here is to compute the derivative of f and then evaluate it at the point 1. So f prime of x, and here we're going to need to use the quotient rule. And the quotient rule says we take the denominator times the derivative of the numerator, which the derivative of 1 is just 0, minus the numerator, so 1, times the derivative of the denominator, which using the power rule and linearity we see is just n times x to the n minus 1. And all of that is over 1 plus x to the n quantity squared. All right, so if we simplify this a little bit, we see that the first term in the numerator is just 0. So this is going to equal negative n x to the n minus 1 over 1 plus x to the n squared. Now we want to evaluate this at the point x naught equals 1. So we have at x equals 1. Well, this will be minus n, and 1 to any power is just going to be 1. And similarly, in the denominator, we're going to have 1 plus 1, or 2 squared, so minus n over 4. Now we can just stick this back into the formula for the equation of the line tangent to the graph. And we see that y equals f of x naught, which is 1/2, plus, well, here we have minus n over 4 times x minus x naught, which is x minus 1. And this is the equation for the line tangent to the graph of f of x at the point 1, 1/2.